Right. So, hi, Balasubramanian. My name is John Gazelle. I'm the trading floor manager here at Audacity Capital. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Balasubramanian Pandurangan. Vanakkam. I am from India, Tamil Nadu. Actually, I am a 40 years old. I am doing a trading for last 17 years. I am doing. So I do trade in currencies and commodities and metals.
Yes.
Initial starting stage, like I was an affected, like anything. I made a huge loss, and after so long time gap and last 10 years, last 10 years,
Yep.
I am started to read the markets. How is the market is moving every day?
Yes. Yep.
So I started to analyze in fundamental initial starting stage. I started to go with this fundamental side. So when analyzing in fundamental side, like I gotten so many flag on that. So like data, every data is coming on the date, but the market is moving on the different side. So the data is positive for the years, but what is the thing is happening? It's market is moving against to this fundamental data.
Yeah.
So some days I go with this fundamental data. After that, I stop to analyze the fundamental data. Then I go with this technical analysis. So this technical analysis is like purely numbers. It's 0 to 9 numbers only. The market is moving. So
Okay.
I can easily identify the market. So I can easily identify the market by calculations. So I will do the calculations. So like every day I will do calculation with money management rules and support and resistance. So I will do with this calculation. So I can easily identify the market where it is going and where it is coming. So I can go with this technicals. So I am
Okay.
doing with this technicals.
That's very good, actually. Just one thing I'd like you to say, to mention, how much are you managing with us right now?
Right now, I passed the second stage and I am handling $60,000 of Udacity capital.
60,000. Perfect. So congratulations on hitting your target on the 30,000, and now you're on 60,000. Okay. So thanks for the background information and just all these details. It's very good to share. So what I would like to know from you is what attracted you to Audacity Capital in the first place?
Like I seen the so many videos of Udacity. So like I seen the so many experienced guys, they are doing very good. And one day I realized that why don't we can move with this Udacity and why don't we can do with this trade? And I want to like to be one of the trader with your Udacity capital. So last 1 year I am doing with this Udacity. This is my second account. First account, what is happen is I got drawdown of more than 10%. So I disconnected that account. So after that, I open a new account. So now I am doing with this account for the last 3 months. So last month I have achieved a 10%. This month I have achieved a 10% target.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. And now that how long have you been trading with us? How many months?
So last 10 years I am doing trading. I am in this trading. I do trade with currency pairs, with metals and indexes. I will do trade.
No, I mean, how long have you been trading with Audacity Capital? When did you join our program?
So like what is the thing is I am managing some accounts, like some people are believing me and they are giving funds to me. So I am handling that their clients accounts. So like they are investing in India, they are investing like thousands and $2,000 only. So I could not be able to make to prove myself with a higher investment size to trade on that account. So I have searched on the internet, and one of my friend suggested me the Udacity and some of the like Udacity Capital and some of the firms they have. He introduced me. So then I have searched that, like all the firms I have searched. But what is the thing is I mainly attract with what is the attract with this Udacity means like leverage point. The leverage points you are providing is 1:5. That is a great and enough. Yeah, that is great and enough. And one more thing, all the brokers are providing the metals and indexes and so many
Yes.
things, but the
Yes.
Udacity is providing only these currencies.
Yes.
So I loved this thing. So first the point is the leverage, and the second point is like this the thing is only on currencies. We need to prove only on the currencies. So I loved this thing. So I joined with this Udacity.
And when was that? So how long have you been with us? How many months? 3, 4 months, or?
No, like last August I have joined with Udacity.
Ah, right.
So
Okay.
yeah,
It's been a little
what is the
while.
thing is,
Okay.
yeah, first stage
Hmm.
I this is my second account I am doing. On the first account, what happened is like I have crossed my 10% of drawdown. So it's nearby, it's a
Hmm.
14 to 50% I came drawdown on that. But on the last account, I have passed the first stage. So on the first stage, I received the call from the Udacity. So they said that congratulations, you have passed the first stage. On that same day itself, they have sent me my profit shares on the withdrawal of 10%.
Yeah.
Sorry, 50%. Yeah, 50% I received on that same day. I am really surprised. What is the thing is, I am from India, you are from London. On the same day, within your 2 to 3 hours, I received that money. So I am really impressed on that with your
Yeah,
Udacity.
we are very efficient when it comes to payout and scaling. We are in the business of making money. So when a trader hits target, we pay and double same day, so we can keep moving. So you can work towards your next target. So how have you been finding all the City Capital services? I mean, how do you feel about the execution service, the risk, the trading parameters? Do you feel that this has shaped you as a better trader, like more of an institutional trader? Or do you feel that maybe it's restricting you from reaching your full potential? What are your thoughts about our trading conditions?
I feel the execution is very good, but what is the thing is, I am last 10 years I am handling with the different brokers. So I know what is the execution is going on, or what is going on the execution side. It's wrong
Yeah.
or right or anything. It's take it some execution. It takes some time, and some bending orders and target price not executed on the time. But when I see the Udacity broker, it's really amazing, and every executions are very perfect and allowed this thing.
That's good. Thanks for the feedback. And in regards to your style, okay, what I would like to know is what is your trading strategy? So how are you trading the markets? How are you being successful in hitting 10%? Are you intraday trader? Are you swing trader? Do you mainly use price action? What's your sort of approach to the market?
Actually, I do trade only on by technical indications. So I openly say I am specialized in technical side, not in the fundamental side.
Mhm.
So I really analyze the market every day. Every day market while opening my chart, I see my chart the candlestick pattern. So what is the candlestick yesterday? The market how it goes, and how what's happened yesterday, how the market is moved, and what is the how it was closed the candlestick pattern. Then I can use my indicators like tools and indicators. Tools in the sense of trend lines, and mm, tools in the sense of tools in the sense of trend lines and Fibonacci retracements. This the two main indicator tools I will use on my trading side. And the indicator part, like I will use like moving average and Bollinger Band. So this is the thing I tools and indicators I will use. And finally I will use the price actions, and price action on the key supports level and key resistance level, and weekly closings, how it is was closed weekly closings. These are the thing I will analyze the market, and after that I will go into this market, and first I will analyze the stop loss for my entry. First I identify the entry. For that identify my entry, I will go with I analyze the stop loss. With the stop loss I will do with my money management. So I will go with the money management. I can make a good profit for a
Yeah,
long term. I
sure.
do
Yeah,
short terms. Yeah, I will do a short terms and long term positions. Like
of course.
mostly in the
Absolutely.
Udacity, yeah, in the Udacity, I will follow the short terms and long terms. So like you are providing for the $15,000, you are providing the lot size to trade for 5.50
Correct.
lot size.
Yes.
So by using the lot size, I can go for a long term trades on my account.
Okay. So thanks for sharing that. It's very detailed, much appreciated. So what I'd like to know from you is, in regards now, you've been trading with us for a little while, and obviously you've hit target twice, you've been paid and everything. So we are obviously, aware of all the other brokers out there and the other firms that are popping up. What would you, as and a lot of people are applying for funded trader programs now, a lot of traders from India or all over the world are applying and they want to get involved in this. So what advice would you give? Who would you say Oda City Capital's funded trader program is for, and who should apply and join this program?
So the new traders, I can advise, like, they want to start it with this demo account first, initial starting 1 or 2 months, or either maybe 3 months.
Yes.
They need to trade on this demo account. So after practicing on that account, then they need to go for a live account. So when they go to the live account, like they don't have, some people, they don't have that much of money, is like $15,000 or $30,000. They don't have, but they have only the $500 and $1,000. So when using the $500 and $1,000, they are using like that, means in the starting stage, definitely they will lose that account. So what is the thing is, like Udacity firms like that, if they use that, means like they can get a $50,000 and they can do slow, and they can make a profit. First month they can't be able to make a profit, or either maybe second month or third month. That is no problem. On the fourth month, if they have achieved the 10% of target, means then he can easily develop the account of $30,000.
Yes.
So simply within the 3 months, they can make it out the good profits. So no issue on that. So for the new traders, start up with the demo account and they can go with this Udacity firm. It's purely good to earn for the higher investment size.
Okay, that's good feedback, actually. Much appreciated. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and hopefully I look forward to speaking with you when you are managing 120,000. Your next target now will be a 6-figure account. So I'm sure you will be doing well, because you've been doing well so far. And just before we depart and we end this interview, I just would like to have one last question. What would you say would be good to add or to change to our funded trader program? So personally, if you were to have something changed, or if you were to have something added, what would you say would be good to add or change to make the program maybe more interesting for our traders?
So all the things are, it's okay. For my side, it's all the things are okay. That's initial starting account opening site. Then what is that monthly performance fee? Also, that is also okay. Then what is the main thing I got, like why don't you can add this gold metals on your platform? Because so many people are doing only on the metals, and there are also so many fluctuations on that. So many people are interested on that metal. So initial starting stage, they can. So if you implement this gold metals on that, means that will be more comfortable.
Sure. Okay, that's good. We are looking to do that, actually.
This is my suggestion.
Thank you very much. We have had a high demand for this request to add commodities onto our trading platform, and we are looking to do that hopefully by end of the year or early next year. We are working to get a good deal with our liquidity providers, with the banks. So hopefully that will be implemented. Okay, perfect. Well, look, thanks for joining me. Good luck on your $60,000 account. This interview will be featuring on our YouTube channel within maybe a week or so. As soon as it's up and live, I will inform you personally, and look forward to speaking with you when you hit the 6-figure account. Okay? Thank you very much.
I will.
Have a good day.
Definitely I will make it.
Perfect. You take care. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye now. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.